Hey guys, it's Asheli from Editor Reviews, and today I have a very special unboxing. So this is an Ulta Faves box. So it's from Ulta, the beauty store, and it's in collaboration with Yes Hipolito. It's her favorite items. You can see here some of the items that are going to be featured, but each of the items in this box is available at Ulta. I will link down below to all the products, and I'll also link to Yes Hipolito in the description box. I'm super excited. I kind of know what's in here because I kind of peeked. I'm not gonna lie, I couldn't help myself. I was like, what was in here? So the box is full of stuff, and these are all items that are available at Ulta. So you pop it open, and there's a picture of her. She's super beautiful, so cute, and it says, "Hello dolls. I'm super excited to share my first ever Ulta Favorites box with you. I've hand selected these brands as some of my all-time faves and can't wait for you to try them. Proceeds will go to at Keep America Beautiful, the largest community improvement organization in the U.S. A shout out to my girls at Derma E. I love Derma E, don't you? For always thinking of the environment. I hope you're as obsessed with these products as I am." And then you can post your box on social media to win a $200 gift card. Of course you do. I'll be looking for your pics on social tagging. So you can just tag Yes Hipolito and Ulta Beauty at Derma E. And then on the back, it lists each of the items in here. So if you buy anything from this box, post it on social media. You might win some cash money. Well, actually, it's a gift card, right? Yeah, to Ulta, though, which is basically cash money. Okay. All right, first up, we have an e.l.f. product. This is that cushion, the aqua infused blush and bronzer. It's like a cushion. I've seen it, I've never actually tried it. And so here it is. Ooh, should I swatch it right here? No, I'm not going to put you in the forever. So there it is. And I'll link to each item, and I'll put their retail price as well. So you can see there the colors. It's really pretty red. Well, pink. You know what I'm saying. There it is. And then the bronzer. And it's like almost kind of creamy, but not. And it goes on super smooth. If you have dry skin, this is probably perfect for you. I do like that bronzer a lot. All right, so there's that. Off to a good start. Yeah. All right. Then there's Ardell. These are the faux mink wispies. Not free Invisibrand. I don't use many false lashes because I basically don't have the skill required to apply them. Shout out to everybody out there that actually can. I know there's like some little tricks and tips, but I don't have any, so. But these are really pretty, and they're super like gorgeous for a night out or something like that. Or maybe if you want to use them in the daytime, be my guest. None of my business. What else do they say about those? Sensual. Oh no, that's not. Nope, never mind. That's something else. Lash faux mink wispies, super soft, fine tapered fibers make up these beautiful lashes. The most luxurious wispies style yet. All right, next we have, I don't know what this is. I didn't open it before, so I was like, look, let yourself have a little surprise. I think it's just a little compact. It's from Derma E, though, and you guys know how I feel about them. I love. Oh, it's just a button, I think. No, is it a mirror? It says Derma E. Oh, it is. So it's on the back, it's just a mirror. I'm not gonna. But look at that pretty floral pattern on there. And it came in this cute little thing that says, "Hello, beautiful. That's nice. I like it so much." Then we have, this is a Derma E product. This is the Derma E Essentials Radiant Glow Facial Oil. This is really nice if you like rose. That's one of the main ingredients in this one. I think, is this it? No, is this not it? Oh, no, this isn't the rose facial oil. This is the Radiant Glow, which has, hold on, jojoba, argan, and sea buckthorn oil, which is really good for combating redness and stuff like that. So, Sun-Kiss Alba. And it's just like a normal serum. It smells good. I love their products. Oh, they're just so nice. Like, super luxurious. Look at that. I love it. Love it already. Now, I don't know, do you apply this in the morning or at night? Shake well. For a radiant glow, massage 2 to 3 drops onto clean skin. Apply as desired, not intended for internal use. You know what you could do with this, though? Add it to your foundation to get a more dewy finish, which is what I do sometimes because everything looks so dry on me. Everything in an hour or two just looks like it's dried out. I look dull. That's like just a problem with my skin. If you have that, that's what stuff like this is really, really good for. I always keep some on my little table, and I pump it in. Just a pump, maybe 2. Next we have a facial mask. This is from BioBell, who makes some of the most amazing facial masks. If you want masks that work, that do what they say and not just hydrate, BioBell is one of the companies that you should look into. I have not tried this one. I've tried the blueberry. Is it like blueberry yogurt, I want to say? I don't know. So this is the avocado and collagen that diminishes the appearance of fine lines. So this is a fiber mask. These are really nice. I know the package is super cute. There's something like very exciting about opening something that looks so much fun. Like it's gonna be fun. All right, so we're gonna move on. Next we have another Derma E product. This is like one of their all-time like #1 products in my opinion, and I think in a lot of people's. This is their Purifying Daily Detox Scrub. This has activated charcoal. It's a 4-ounce bottle. If you're not familiar with Derma E, they are everything is ethically sourced. It's a fair trade company. Things are sustainable. They're vegan, they're cruelty free, it's organic, and they're effective. That's what I always say. I'm like, those things are great, but if the product doesn't work, that's kind of a bummer. Their stuff works. Like if it says it's going to do something, it does it. And that's what I like about them so much. All right. Next up, we have Big Sexy Hair. This is Powder Play. So this is a texturizing powder that you put in your hair, and you can get lift, volume, and whatever else. Let's see what they say about it here. Volumizing texturizing powder that instantly liquefies when applied, allowing hair to absorb the product and provide full voluminous hair. I've actually never used this. I have used the hairspray, and I have never used this though. So I'm going to try this out. I'm excited for that actually. I'm actually really excited for the e.l.f. product too. Like I'm super pumped to play with that because I do love the way it looks on the skin, and it feels really good too. And I've always wanted to try it secretly, but I haven't gotten around to it. All right, so our final item in here is also from Ardell, and I didn't know that they made makeup. I thought that they just did lashes. So this is the Sensual Eyes Eyeshadow Palette. And this, hold on, it's sealed. This is the Cabana color, like it's a quad. So let's swatch those too. Why not, right? We're here. Let's swatch. Let's swatch the dodge. If I could ever open it. I might not ever be able to open this, guys. I'm just kidding. I'll open it eventually. What are you guys up to today? It is right now, it is Monday, October 1st. I'm going to get out my fall decorations, probably also my Halloween decorations, and have fun and do that. I also have to go to the pet store to get our hermit crabs substrate. I didn't even know what that was, but it's, I guess, the stuff that you put at the bottom of their tank, like their like bedding. I don't know, that's what, I had hamsters growing up. That's what we called it. Never heard that word. All right, so here it is. It's very pretty. It's a nude palette, but it is. There's 3 shimmers, and then this one right here is a matte. So we'll start with that one, and there's that. We'll do this light shimmer here. Ooh, I like that. Actually, it's pretty. They are very like creamy. I like that. There's nothing patchy about them. Ooh. Do you love that color? I love that color. Ooh, this is really nice. I like the way they feel on the skin. They're really pretty. And they like don't skip or anything, so that's nice too. I love this orange one. The orangey red, that's super pretty. All right, so that's everything that came in the Yes Hipolito Ulta Faves box featuring one of my all-time favorites, Derma E. I'm going to link down below to all the stuff. I'll just link and link and link, and you can check and check and check. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.